Hey guys, it's Dirk again with Next Level Auto. I took this green Challenger SRT8 for the weekend and I thought you'd like to hear how it sounds on a cold startup. Check this out. So this Challenger has a huge list of modifications. I'll list the link to our ad down in the description here. The thing that you can't really describe with words is the way it makes you feel when you drive it. The long tube headers, the open free-flowing exhaust, it's just so good. So I'm headed to the dealership now. If you want to jump on this thing before someone else does, you can give us a call. 636-283-0004, but don't wait because this thing is gonna go fast.